So hello guys, welcome again. Read the disclaimer. So this is today's final result of a modified Kalashnikov with inbuilt ATR condition, and this is the result of the original Kalashnikov. So let's check both the version trades. So this is original Kalashnikov took first entry at 9:45 and which got exited with loss at 10:25. Then again it entered at 10:50 and booked some profits in that trade at around exited around 11:23. While modified Kalashnikov entered in two different strikes, so it seems like it took entry in two different time frames. Like first entry at 10:50, which is it seems near to original strategy also. I guess its time also was 10:50. Yes, its time was also 10:50. And another entry to get 12:41, which resulted in loss. So let's all check all the entries. Like first, it took entry in original strategy at 9:45. So let's check that on chart. So this is today's market, and this candle crossed below RSI 40 level, and as you can see, this is the trigger candle as well as our entry satisfaction candle also, where high should be greater than this trigger candle low. So both the conditions satisfied on this same candle, and that's why it took entry at as soon as this candle closed and LTP went below this low, this trigger candle low, it entered at 9:45. So let's check ATR condition over. So this should be the stop loss, right? So let's check the stop loss first. So stop loss should be around 292 points, and the ATR is at 90 points. So if we multiply 90 with 2.3, it comes around 207 level, which is way below 292 range. So this stop loss we would avoid with our ATR condition. That's why the ATR version didn't took entry at this 9:45 candle, and eventually this gave us the loss around this time when one candle crossed above this SM at 10, and then another is exited due to our cost to cost condition. Then second entry was at 10:50, I guess. So let's check that also. So yes, in this candle, because previous candle, this 10:45 candle crossed below RSI 40, and this is our trigger candle as well as its high is greater than the trigger candle low. So as soon as price crossed below this trigger candle low of 10:45, after starting of 10:50 candle, we entered the trade. Now I don't guess we need to calculate the SL and target from here, because it's but obvious that ATR is at 733 point and our SL is around only 53 points. So it should take trade obviously. One thing which bothered me is that at 11:23 our 1:1 target booking condition got fulfilled, but at same time immediately after exiting via repair ones, we exited the second lot also at same time. So this should not have happened. So for that, as I always say, check the notification logs once. Before that, let me open the condition builder so that we get to know what exactly happened at that time. So we want for put side condition builder. So our repair ones, first repair ones is for 1:1 target booking, I think, which got executed. So let's check that. So it's as 2/221, I guess. I mean 211 is this first repair one. So 211, and the SMA closing condition was R221. So here, after entering at 10:50 in this candle, our 1:1 target got achieved, because this was our SL, this was your entry price, this was your around entry price, the 11 I guess Yes, 1045 candle low was your entry price, and around this your target got booked. So at that time, any previous candle didn't close above SMA 10, so another leg should not have been exited until this time, as we have seen in this modified version. And as you all know, in modified version we have not changed any condition from the original strategy. We only have added the ATR condition, as you all know. So here this is the proper exits have happened. Like first lot book at 1:1 target, and another lot booked at after a 12-15 candle closed above SMA 10. This 12-15 candle closed above SMA 10. So another lot got booked here. So if it's working here, why didn't it work here, right? So that we need to find out. So go to notification logs, and this is for exit condition only, and so we need to first check repair once condition. So repair once condition, and here it's saying that at 11:23 time LTP of BankNifty was 42,727. Our entry underlying price was 42,777.5, and our SL level was, which is the highest high value at the time of entry, was 42,826. So you need to calculate 42,826.45, which is your SL level, minus your entry underlying price, so which is this 42,777.5, so which comes at around range of 48.95. So if we minus this 48.95 from this entry price, so our exit level comes at around 42,728.55. So as soon as LTP went below this level 42,728.55, we exited. So this suggests that this is our RO 211, where we are booking 1:1 target at 1:1 risk reward ratio, right? So RO 211 is executed. Now, as you all know, we have added in both the repair once conditions that our net quantity should be lot size into 2. Means if you are running strategy on 1x, then lot size is 25 into 2 into multiplier is 1. So if net quantity is 50, then only you should execute this RO221, right? Which is candle close above SMA 10, which is obviously not fulfilled. So from this we know that our condition is proper. There is some issue in Tradetron, so let's find out what's that. So this repair once is executed. Now we are checking this exit condition notification logs. You can find it here, right? Exit satisfied at 11:23 and 38 seconds. So how did this exit condition got fulfilled? So for that, there is only one chance that both the repair ones, if have executed, then only we can exit this. So here you can see it is giving us prices for both the repair ones. The RO211, this is obvious 152.94, but let's check once again at which price our RO211 got executed, because here lies the doubt, right? I guess RO211 price would be around greater than 160. Let's check that. So let's check once again. Okay, no, it's 152.95, so that's okay. Now it's again giving us the value for RO221, right? The second RO, and the price was showing this 121.15. Let me show you guys. Yes, look at this. The RO221 means second RO of set 2 price. It's showing here 121.15, but there is one catch here. Tradetron says that once set level exit done, right, then again if that set re-enter, that will reset everything, right? So this was RO221 was executed while our first trade in original strategy, and after that we have exited also, right? and then we again re-entered. So that should have reset all these RO values also according to logic and according to Tradetron people, but which clearly didn't happen here. So if any Tradetron guys are also seeing this video, then I would suggest them to check this issue once, that set level exit have already executed, and then also this repair ones conditions and this repair ones values are not reset at 0 values. So please check this once. So this was the issue. This was wrong exit as per the logic, right? Otherwise who might know the original strategy PNL would be better than the ATR version PNL if original strategy would also be at exited at 194.8, right? So I don't know whether this has happened this time only or whether it has happened in past also, because I have came across this kind of error of Tradetron maybe first time, because as per logic I know if set level exit happens, right, then all the values of the previous trade of that set get reset. So that should have happened here, and here it executed the trade perfectly because here this was the first trade, so that's why. And let's check the second trade also, which have happened at around 12:41. So let's check that at 12:41 after this candle crossed below RSI 40 level, and its high was also above this trigger candle. This is the trigger candle only, so trigger candle low, and as soon as LTP went below this low, trigger candle low, our entry got satisfied, and 68 points is our range, and ATR is at 54 points. So here also our entry is proper, but at 12:50 as soon as this candle crossed above SMA 10, we exited, and if we would not have been exited, then this fall we would have got captured, but this is what it is. So that's why we are checking these conditions and how this trade performed, what we could have done better to get better result. So that's why aftermarket analysis is very important, right? Like many times we get exited due to this SMA 10 condition. If you already know, then you can try. I'm just suggesting, you can try with SMA 20 also if the price has not crossed any profit threshold already set by you, like that. Or you can check with any other SMAs also, like instead of SMA 10, if you would have choose this SMA 14, then also we might not have got exited. Let's see, close was, yes, then also we might have got exited. If you choose SMA 15, then you might not have got exited in this trade. So you can also check that at that time we were above our entry underlying price. So you can also set that if the price is above entry underlying price, so our entry price at your Nifty Bank entry underlying price, then we would wait for our stop loss level only directly, and if the price is below our entry underlying price, then if it closes above SMA 10, then we would exit that. So this type of variations you should try, I would suggest, before applying any strategy to live market, especially if the strategy is from some other person, if it's not already developed by you according to your psychology. So you have to modify any strategy according to your psychology. And I guess this call side trade didn't activate because I guess we have already added in entry condition that the trade should be before 2 o'clock and 45 minutes. So this we would have exited, not executed. So yes, this is it, guys. And I would again request any Tradetron people, if watching this video, please see this issue which have come, because this arrow was executed in first trade. After that, after executing the set level exit, it should have reset the values of these old repair ones. So this is it, guys. Thank you. See you in next video.